guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for deciding to click on today's video. It is going to be my August Boxycharm unboxing. I just got this in the mail and I'm excited to open it up with you guys. So I'm going to be sharing all the products that I got in this month's Boxycharm. So if you guys are ready to go ahead and get into it, let's get started. Boxycharm right here. I'm really eager to open up this month. I've heard a lot of teasers and I'm excited to see what is inside of my box. If this is your first time on one of my unboxings, then welcome. I do these every single month here on my channel. Also, I do want to mention that every single month I also do an Instagram tutorial of trying on the products that are in the box. So if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, I'm going to post that tomorrow. I try to do it the day after I do these videos so that you guys can see the products in action in each month's box. So if you're not following me on Instagram, I'll leave it right here so you guys can check it out. But basically, if you guys do not know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription service where you receive a box every single month. Normally there is about 5 to 6 full-size products in there, which is awesome because they're always full-size products, which is always really cool to get. It is $21. I know if you get more months at a time, it gets a little bit cheaper. I will leave a link in the description box where you guys can sign up for Boxycharm. I believe you can still get this month's box, so if you sign up this month, you will receive the same items that I get in mine. It may vary a small bit, but normally everyone gets the majority of the same products every single month. So let's go ahead and open this month's box. So it looks like this month's theme is Life of the Party. I do want to say that my box has a number 2 down here at the bottom. I always get asked that question. I will have the dimensions of my box in the description box as well if you guys want to see what the weight of my box is or anything like that. I'll try to link it down below for you, but I'm excited to see what products we have inside. All right, so the first thing inside my box is this pair of lashes. So this is from House of Lashes, and these are the Noor Fairy Light Lashes. Here is what they look like. House of Lashes is actually one of my favorite lash brands, so this is really exciting to get this inside of this month's box. It says that the value on these is between $9 and $12, so I'm assuming there's probably a variation of lashes that everyone is receiving in their box this month. This has me really excited. I believe I've already tried this style before, but it looks really pretty. They look nice and wispy, and I really enjoy their lashes because they are very comfortable. The next item I have in my box this month is from Bang Beauty, and it looks like this is a eyeliner. It says mine is in the shade Chocolate, and I'm reading here on the card, it says that this is a value of $22, that you can actually use it as a brow pomade, you can use it as an eyeliner, you can also use it as an eyeshadow base. So here's what it looks like. It actually looks kind of like the dip brow, like the Anastasia dip brow. Like you could use it on your brows, which is cool. So something that has a multiple purpose. So let me show you guys a swatch of the color. So the formula of it actually feels really similar to the dip brow. So this is actually kind of exciting because I think this color might work for me to apply in my brows. And the consistency also reminds me of that. So here is a swatch of what the color looks like. So like I said, you can use this as a brow product. It also says you can use it as an eyeliner or as an eyeshadow base or an eyeshadow color if you want it as well. So that's pretty cool. That's a full-size product. So $22 is the value on this one. The next product in here is a cuticle treatment. So this is from NCLA Los Angeles, and this is a vitamin E infused cuticle oil. It says that this retails for $18 and that you can use this twice a day to help strengthen your cuticles. It does have a little dropper here. I can't say that I've ever really used a cuticle serum or anything like that. I know that a lot of people do use them and they say that they are nice. I can't really say that I have many issues with my cuticles, but I feel like this would be something cool if you guys struggle with that, or if you're wanting to try out a product for your cuticles. I guess that's kind of cool. Like I said, the retail on that one is $18. The next thing I have in my box is from Wonder Beauty, and these are their Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks, and I've actually used these before, and I do really like them. They're super hydrating on your eyes, and you just basically, they're like a little gold eye mask. You apply them directly right under your eyes. I think you leave them on for about 10 minutes or so, 10 or 15 minutes. And yeah, 10 or 15 minutes, and then you just throw them away after you've used them. So there's 3 different packages of these, and they say that they retail for $13. All right, so this has me super excited. So I was seeing teasers everywhere, and I know you guys even told me when I was talking about wanting to purchase these palettes that they were going to be in this month's Boxycharm, which is super cool. So this is from Laura Lee Los Angeles, and this is the Party Animal Eyeshadow Palette. And I'm excited to see what this looks like. Okay, it's pretty vibrant, way more vibrant than I thought. So here is the eyeshadow palette. So it has 6 different shades inside of it. So here's a closer look at the palette. You do get a large mirror here in the front. It looks like we have 4 matte shades and then 2 shimmer shades. I did go ahead and swatch all of the shades for you. So here are a swatch of all of them. They actually swatched pretty well. The only one that I say that was a little bit disappointing was this first one here. I feel like that one didn't swatch as well as the other ones, but the shades definitely look very vibrant and very fun. This is a $19 palette, so almost the exact price of your box, which is really exciting. All right, and then the last item I have in my box this month is from Smashbox, and this is the Be Legendary Liquid Metal Lipstick, and it says that there is a variation of these that are going to be in the boxes this month. It says that they retail between $24 and $21 or $21 to $24. Whoop. Okay, so here is what mine looks like. It looks like it's like a metallic lip color. I like the top here. It has like a little rhinestone. Let me swatch it for you guys. Ooh, the applicator on this one's actually a little different. It's kind of got like a little triangle tip to it. So let me swatch the color. It looks metallic, but it looks pretty actually wearable. It feels like it's gonna be really comfortable. So there is a swatch of it. I got mine in the shade Petal Metal. So that is the lip color this month. All in all, I feel like we got a lot of really nice products this month. I'm impressed with the eyeshadow palette. I love the fact that we got lashes. The only product that I would say that I probably won't really use is the cuticle, like, treatment or whatever this is called. But other than that, I really like the items that we got. I really like the eyeliner. I love those patches from Wonder Beauty. Those are some of my favorites. So I definitely think that this is a really good box this month. The total for my box this month is $108, so it's a little bit less than normal, but I feel like we got some really amazing products this month. Let me know what you guys got in your box down below. I hope you enjoyed seeing this quick little unboxing of my August Boxycharm. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye, friends.